Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome here if you're new. My name is Tiffany and today I'm going to be sharing a new recipe with you for zucchini bread. I love zucchini bread and I hope you guys do too. I'm also going to be including some cleaning towards the end of the video. So stay tuned till the end and please consider subscribing below. So here's just a quick overview of all of the ingredients that you're going to need out and ready to go.
I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just.
And here's the recipe I'm gonna go by. You can pause the screen right here and write it down for yourself. And we're gonna start by peeling this zucchini. I'm gonna use 2 of the 3 of the zucchinis, and then we're gonna start grating it.
Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at the beautiful stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest, blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me.
Be sure to grate enough zucchini to equal 1.5 cups of zucchini so that you have the correct amount. If it's a little bit over, it's okay. I actually like to put a little bit more than 1.5, almost 2 cups. So it is perfectly fine if you use a little more or you have extra and you don't want to waste those. Go ahead and throw them in there too. Next, add in your 1 cup of sugar. Then add in a 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Now for the 1/2 cup of unsweetened applesauce.
Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down.
Lastly, add in a 1/3 cup of vegetable oil.
Look at the beautiful stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me.
Now we're gonna add in the 2 eggs.
Right off the bat I knew I loved you. You had that sparkle in your eyes, some kind of shimmer in your presence.
Then add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract.
You got me spinning out of context, not really sure what I should do.
Continue mixing until it's combined well, and then we'll add in the rest of the dry ingredients.
Can't live with or without you. Oh, won't you sing to me? There ain't no other way but you sing to me. As simple as I say.
And here's a little something of what it should look like at this point. We're moving right along and adding 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour.
No need to overanalyze it. We grew apart more every day. When
Then will be a half teaspoon of baking powder.
We need a fight in every way. No hugs, no kisses could protect us from what the future has.
Next is a half teaspoon of baking soda.
Love is a flicker in the distance. Oh, you try to grab it and it's gone. Won't you sing to me?
Add in a half teaspoon of salt.
But you sing to me, simple as I say.
And the very last ingredient of it all is a half teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Continue to stir this until there are no dry ingredients left, and then find your pan, heat the oven to 350, and then we'll add the mix into the pan and then cook this for 50 to 55 minutes in the oven.
Simple as I say. Oh, just sing to me. Well, there ain't no other way. But just sing to me. Well, simple as I say.
Baking has always been one of those things that kind of calms the storm for me. It relaxes me. My friends and family can get a sweet treat out of it. I enjoy it so much, and anytime I'm able to find a new recipe I love and share it on here with you guys, I'll be sure to do so that your family and friends can also get some good recipes out of it.
I never understood a word they said. Kept running in the woods alone instead.
And now we're going to get started cleaning this up while the bread is cooking in the oven. Since we are still waiting, we might as well put our time to use. We're going to get a clean slate in this kitchen tonight so that we don't wake up overwhelmed tomorrow.
Stay, please stay, 'cause my heart really needs a man. Somewhere, somehow, I guess I lost it all. Stay, stay here with me. I'm trying to make it up for my mistakes, but everywhere I turn, some hearts will break. Something, someone will end up getting hurt again. There's no need to play pretend. Why don't you stay, stay, 'cause I could really use a friend. Stay, please stay, 'cause my heart really needs a man. Somewhere, somehow, I guess I lost it all. Stay, stay here with me. Why don't you stay, oh stay, 'cause I could really use a friend. Why don't you stay, please stay, 'cause my heart really needs a man. Somewhere, somehow, I guess I lost it all. Stay, stay here with me. Why don't you stay, oh stay, 'cause I could really use a friend. Stay, please stay, 'cause my heart really needs a man. Somewhere I'm cutting down the wires. I'm feeling kinda tired. I think I lost myself, I think I lost it all. You know it's true, I've been thinking about you. You made me feel so safe right when you told me you were mine. But I'm too late, I can't undo my mistakes. The time's run out and I'm left standing wet here in the rain. The same cloud hanging over my head. God, I wish you were here to save me from myself. It feels the same. The days goes on, but that's okay. Why can't you stay right here with, I said right here with me. I'm cutting down the wires. I know I'm looking tired. I think I lost myself, I think I lost it all. You know it's true, I've been thinking about you. You made me feel so safe right when you told me you were mine. But I'm too late, I can't undo my mistakes. The time's run out and I'm left standing wet here in the rain. The same cloud hanging over my head. God, I wish you were here to save me from myself. You know it's true. You know it's true. I keep thinking about you. I can't get you out my head. I think you stole my soul. Shadows creeping everywhere. I want you here so badly. I can't get you out my head. I think you stole my soul. Shadows creeping everywhere. I want you here. You know it's true, I've been thinking about you. You made me feel so safe right when you told me you were mine. But I'm too late, I can't undo my mistakes. The time's run out and I'm left standing wet here in the rain. The same cloud hanging over my head. God, I wish you were here to save me from myself. You know it's true. You know it's true. I keep thinking about you. It's the same old story being told inside my head. I'm too shy to straighten up my bones and be a man. I gotta tear this wall apart to let you in. My friends say the time's running out, so take the chance. Make a move, 'cause the store won't stay open till the end. Won't you tear my world apart? 'Cause I know I need a start to let you in. When it's over, I will see what I've done. Let it go too soon. Oh, I'll be stronger
And here is how my zucchini bread turned out. It was so good. The best zucchini bread recipe I've used this far. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. For more content like this and more cleaning motivation, please subscribe below, and I'll see you guys in my next video.